Free range hen got a little to
Well, this
free.
is gonna be fun. Wants
Who
to go
needs
on
a gym
wild
for
chicken.
cardio when you have chickens
What are you doing
law?
out here? Go back inside. Hurry up. Come on. What are you doing out here? Why aren't you in your coop? Come here. You're not supposed to be in the front yard. Come on. Come on. Good. No. Come here. Come. No. Don't hurt your feathers. Oh my God. God darn, guy or girl. Why are you such an ass? I don't want to rip your feathers. Come on. Hey, did you clockers lose a sister? Huh? Did you clockers lose a sister? Come on. Ugh. Good morning, Sunrise. How's it going?